Hello everyone, welcome to Stamping Within, and it's unboxing time. I got another order. Now then, I've got the box at the side of me. Let's deal with the small things first. So I found these in clearance, adhesive backed hexagons. I think they're quite fun. Can you see them? Yes, I've been wandering out of shot, so I'm I'm trying to keep my hands here. Rustic metallic adhesive back dots. I do like those. I might get some more actually. The bog standard champagne basic jewels. I love these. I use them a lot. The pearls. And just the basic jewels. Okay, so those out of the way. This is a kit. I'm going to open it up. I took the wrapper off and I saved the what's it so I knew what it was. Let's open it up, shall we? I think you need a new blade. Right, put that away. So we have instructions. Well, what I'm going to do with these, I think I'm going to make up one of each, and then I'm going to go hunting for alternates. Yeah. So there's, how many cards do you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 cards. Okay. There's all the card bases are the same. So a lovely masculine kit this. You get some stickers. No, die cuts, I do apologise. More die cuts. Even more die cuts. Oh, some white dots. And oh, look at that, lovely. I'm running out of fingers. Let me put these down. Okay, you get 2 different matching pieces. Okay, dimensionals, always good. Some, oh, they're pretty. I'll give you a close-up of those. Very nice. A block, which I won't be using because it's kind of too thin for my fingers. I prefer the standard size blocks for my for me. You get a soft suede stamping spot and a stamp set. So, happy birthday, I can always count on you, thanks. A clock, time to celebrate. That would be good for vintage sets as well, you know. So, that's a lovely kit that is. I'm going to enjoy that. Put the instructions back in. The cardboard I'll save because that'll come in use for journaling. Put that to one side. I'll save the biggest one till last. This isn't the biggest one. Looks like it, but it's not. this is the birthday greetings kit. So let me take it out and get rid of the box. I've been guilty of well, not just of late, but in past number of years actually, of not sending cards out due to one reason or another. So I figured this would help me. You know, rather than finding out someone's birthday on the day via Facebook. There we go. Yes, the birthday card organizer kit. There we go. Put that there. Another nice bit of card to keep. So we get some nice iridescent jewels. I think someone said they were glue dots, and dimensionals, of course. I'm guessing 12 envelopes, 6 of each. Crumb cake and someone said soft succulent, I believe. 6 of each, yes, 6 of each. Card bases. Some card bases. Die cuts. These, I believe, are stickers. Yes, stickers in 4 different languages. Lovely. That's like a burlap ribbon. It's your day, again in 4 languages. And happiest birthday, again in 4 languages. Let's move to the book. Itself. Beautiful, I love this. And pockets, okay. Pockets for putting your cards in. I'm going to see about decorating this as well, which will be a separate, and it'll be a separate video when I actually do the thing, yeah. But for the time being, let's just put that in the middle, roughly in the middle. It's nowhere near the middle in, but it will do. So you get 12 of those, okay. It's really well made, this is, and another pocket at the back. So, I'm going to have fun with that. Again, as I say, there'll be a full video of me doing things with it. Let's all this back. And put the thing on top. Okay. These are really nice boxes as well. Now the biggie. This comes in 4 pieces, and it's the Making Plans Planner. Very late to the party with this. It was a joining offer back in July 2022, and then it became available for demonstrators to buy as part of the supply items. And I noticed it had gone down to less than half price. So, yeah. So, that box for recycling, isn't that beautiful? Let's get rid of the glariness, shall we? Stamping up on the spine. Magnetic closure and polystyrene. There's the bookmark, and there's the silicone gel bit. Get rid of those. Oh, does that not? Oh, it does. Oh, it's in two pieces. It does kind of just come out. So, slip that on. I'll have to see. I've got a Filofax punch. I'll have to see if it's the same as this one. If it isn't, I can always buy one, so I can make my own pages. But pocket there, pockets, pocket there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets on the front. Large pocket on the back. Okay, and let's go to the next package. This is the Making Plans Notebook Trio. Right, trio as in 3. I love this watercolour. So this is blank pages. Okay, this one is dottage, possibly could be used for bullet journaling, and this one, yellow polka dot, is lineage. What you can do, of course, you can put this, you can slide that in there. Okay, hey presto. And I've got, if I can find it, I do have a set of Stampin' Up pens. So one of those can come out and go into this little pocket just there. Okay, lovely. So what else do you get? You get a stamp set. Here we go, Making Plans. So you get symbols for your order, all the things making. You get the proper Stampin' Up copyright to put on your cards if you sell them. It's part of the Angel policy. Notes, goals, dottage, check boxes, you know, wonderful. It's photopolymer, so you can see through it. Lovely jubbly. And you can use these. I'll show you what you can do with those. Okay, in this pack here. Now this is the big pack I've got to sort out. This is the Making Plans Inside Pages bit. Now I've already seen a video on how to assemble this, which is good. Another nice bit of card. Now then, monthly focus. Now then, the large square you can stamp inside here to highlight specific dates in the month. Yeah. The stamp that was above it, like the rectangular one, you can highlight specific days. Okay, now is this actually, this is set up into, right, that's the months. Okay, that's a year's worth of months. You get the yearly calendar. Okay, obviously you can find sites where you can print these off as well, so this planner won't be out of use at the end of 2023. It'll be continually used. There's 2 of those. I'm guessing these are your yearly values, passions, skills and mission, and looking ahead. So that will go at the start of a year. And then you get more of the weeklies. Okay, so that's how it would go together. Now there's 2 sorts of those. I think I've just come like those. Okay, and then there's these end ones for the last week, where you can give your month a review. Okay, so there's less of those. Okay. Now then, several of these pieces for writing, doodling, making lists or whatever. Okay. Different colour one. Again, you can make lists, doodle, or what have you. And graph paper on the back for card sketches. These are your monthly these are laminated, so you actually get 1, 2, 3, hang on. Yes, you get 2 ones because it's an 18-month planner, so it goes through 1 to 12, and then you get 2 lots of 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And stickers, 2 sheets of labels, flowers and things, and 2 sheets of things you can mark out: events, classes, appointments. Be kind, let's do this. Yeah. So there we go, that's the planner. Phew! I'm losing my voice. So one more thing to show you. I'll just package this up out of the way. And the final thing, obviously I got a freebie, and it was I've gone for the Dainty to Delight paper. So I've got I think I'm going to use a lot of this. So there we have a planner, we have embellishments, and we have 2 kits. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, whatever you're doing today. Wishing you a lovely time, and I will see you soon. Bye now.